Hey, man. What are you on? You're on like Prozac. I love your energy.
I'm I'm on this energy drink, but I only have the elaichi flavor of the energy drink. Have you ever had energy? आते ही चला गया. I think we've lost him. But is it probably it's his connection. Probably it's his connection. Let's just not overthink this. I think it's his connection. He got a call probably. There we found him.
I, I, I call for my Elaichi.
Listen, this is unfair, yeah. This is unfair. Now you can't have elaichi in the middle of the show. You either have it at the start or at the end.
Dude, I have to match your wherever you are. I have to at least halfway have to come through, bro. आधे में तो आना ही पड़ेगा ना.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this man needs no introduction. He needs no introduction because he's a superstar. You know, let me introduce you formally, okay? Since the first time there was a little Fook, okay? So he started with a Fook 2 precisely. And since he started breathing in the industry, he has become a sultan of his own space. Like, he's made a space for himself and he's become the sultan of that space. And the best part about this is that he's going to gift me 2 boxes of gold for incorporating all his movies and all his all of his serials in the first introduction. Ladies and gentlemen,
one Blu-ray and one normal. You can, and depending on your DVD player, you can watch gold. Okay, go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the man who doesn't need any introduction, he just kaipo-chayed me, and therefore I have to end this conversation in terms of the introduction and introduce to you the man who has, quite honestly, inspired many and is a heartthrob for a lot of girls who DM'd me and said, Rishabh, we really want to talk to Amit. I said, Baba, now he's coming for a formal show. It's supposed to be an intellectual conversation. And they were asking me continuously saying, when is it possible to somehow go on a date with Amit Saad, and what is the secret? How does one get to be on a date with Amit Saad? Was the question that everyone asked. So I must ask you at the top of the show, ladies and gentlemen, before we ask him that question, let us put together our virtual hands and welcome Amit Saad on I Am Unofficial's Kuch To Karo Na. Amit bhai.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you. You were too elaborate and too kind with your words.
But now you must answer this question on behalf of all the girls. The question that I have to ask you, saying, how does one get to be on a date with Amit Saad?
I found a question. Where are these? Yeah.
Oh goodness. No, I am sure you get a lot. Listen, he got his elaichi energy already. Listen,
even if I come in this conversation, half of you, mission accomplished.
I don't know how he got it so fast. Like, what's the secret? But let me take you to the next question. Amit, what according to you is the biggest upside to the pandemic?
I mean, there is. People are getting to spend time at home. I think we had become very frivolous, you know, just walking down the malls, unnecessarily doing things just out of rhythm. It's allowed us to spend time with family, parents, friends, and actually pay attention to like little things, pay attention to the freedom we have. So that's the upside.
The upside is that we had, like you rightly said, had become very frivolous, and we were just interested in ourselves. And now we have all the time to be interested in ourselves. Now we can just keep on looking at the mirror and trying to be the best narcissist version of ourselves, because there's nothing more to do, Amit. क्या करे? घर बैठे बैठे क्या करे? आप क्या करते हो? What is your normal day like? आपका routine क्या है?
यार मेरी life now is almost like a lockdown, so it's not been very difficult for me, you know. So 2 months I was in the Himalayas, in which 3 weeks I was camping. In Bombay, I'll be very honest, the first week after coming, first 2 days we just slept because we drove 40 hours. So first 2-3 days was 38 hours from Mukteshwar to Mumbai by car. And the first 2 days I was tired, exhausted, so I slept. I'll be very honest, today is Saturday, right? Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, I actually realized what you guys have gone through. 10 kilometers every day. In a way, I was brain dead. I mean, there was a lot of introspection, blah, 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 for you with the stupid stuff. But I think Wednesday, Tuesday, I struggled. And I called my friend, my friend in Bombay, Andy, and I said, you know what? अब समझ में आया कि तुम लोग की क्या की थी यार. But you got, you know what? You got to jump out of it. It's a loop. You have to get out of it. You have to find. I mean, you have to find your rhythm back. You have to do the things. You have to keep your brain activated. Don't spend too much. I don't want to lecture everyone, but activate your brain. Use it. Utilize it. Do something. Think something. Write something. I mean, there's more to life than gymming and eating and baking.
कुछ तो कर. Basically, what he's saying is कुछ तो करो ना. Basically, come at 7 p.m. and watch Kuch To Karo Na. But Amit, everyone's saying that they are your handsome face. And see, this is not my comments. Okay, if you scroll up the comment section, it's only girls who are writing this. You see Vishakha, Dhruvi, and a bunch of girls who are writing saying, Amit, your handsome face is getting cut. Could you move the camera a little below so that they can see your face completely?
All right, better.
Girls, answer that question. For me, it was fine in the beginning also. But like you rightly said, you know, it's time to do so many things. And you said that you were in the Himalayas for 3 weeks.
Yeah, I was in Himalayas in Mukteshwar.
I really envy you, yeah. That must have been some amazing experiences that you must have had.
I mean, I've spent my entire life in the hills. I do a lot of trekking. It wasn't the same. We had our share of ups and downs because इस बार आप trekking नहीं कर रहे थे. इस बार आप lockdown थे. So fine, you had a forest to walk around, and it was maybe not as tough being locked in a room. But mentally, I think subconsciously we all are struggling. We all have struggled or fought back. So I went through the same thing. It's just that you did it in 40 degrees, I did it in 7 degrees. That's it.
But that's a big difference ना यार Amit. 40 degrees and 7 degrees. And in the middle क्या हुआ कि मेरा AC बिगड़ गया और it was not even allowed for us in order to call the guy, and I had to sleep like, so I understood the pain of an aam aadmi. And then I kind of realized, and then I was like, shit, I should be so grateful for the fact that हाँ बोलो ना.
I don't want this conversation to get intense. सोचना इस बारे में कि हम लोग struggle को मतलब हम कितना जो स्ट्रगल शब्द की जो तुम समझ गए तुम्हारी लगने वाली है अभी स्ट्रगल शब्द की ना हमने सब
don't be the सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी to my अनन्या पांडे.
आया वो बोलता है मेरे को ना कुछ महीने पहले एक इंसान मिला था किसी पार्टी में. वो बहुत उदास था. वो कहता यार मैं स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ. कैन आई हेल्प यू? इससे नहीं यार 10 दिन से मेरा ड्राइवर नहीं आ रहा. मैं उसको देखता हूँ. मैंने कहा तो इमेजिन ये स्ट्रगल है हमारी यार कि हमें हमारा एसी खराब हो गया है, हमारे को टाइम पे खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, लॉकडाउन है. But I do understand. I do understand. But I just think we've been fortunate ones. Yeah, we have our homes, we have our fans, we have food. You know the people who struggle. That is struggle.
You know, I know about the people who struggle. That was you took it into a very serious tangent. But I'm completely on.
तुम आज के बाद अपने एसी खराब होने की कभी कंप्लेंट नहीं करोगे?
क्या हुआ?
अच्छा, आप आज के बाद अपने एसी खराब होने की कभी कंप्लेंट नहीं करोगे?
नहीं बाबा, मैं हर रोज कंप्लेन करता हूँ, but fully aware of the fact that my struggles are first world struggles. The actual struggles are the struggles of people on ground and migrant workers and so on and so forth. Yeah, that I completely concur and agree. But because everyone has their own struggle, I must ask you, taking you to the second part of what we do, okay? It's called Tum Bhi Karo Na.
Okay.
तो हम लोग ने करोना के आगे पीछे we've added in words before and after, okay. Right? So I want to ask you, saying, have you faced struggle in your life and how have you overcome that? Because these days, जैसे आपने बताया, रूम में बैठ के बेचैनी होती है, it is a lot of anxiety. And how do you overcome that anxiety? Has there been a phase in your life where you had to overcome struggles such as that? And how have you done that?
I think there are two parts to answer this. Keeping it short, the amount of anxiety and struggle that I've seen, I think I could write a book about it. And the way I have mastered it and the way I have fought it is also another book. You know.
So there are two books are coming up. So you are writing two.
I'm not writing. I'm just explaining to you. ले तू भी ले यार. Corona लेता है तू भी ले. But I think our struggles is what we make it. What makes us. And anxiety एक ऐसी चीज है यार कि पूरी दुनिया को होती है. जो बड़े-बड़े सेल्फ हेल्प गुरुज भी है ना, साइकियाट्रिस्ट भी है, दुनिया में ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं जिसको एंजाइटी नहीं होती है. The key is to come out of it. And how you come out of it is something you'll have to develop. You have to have, there has to be some ecosystem within you that you have to fight.
There has to be an ecosystem within you.
Yeah.
Yeah, आप बहुत गहरी उंडी बात कर रहे हो, which is deep philosophical stuff. But I don't expect anything lesser from a person who spends so much of his time wandering the Himalayas and the forest. I do take it that you're a very spiritual person.
Yeah, I hate that term.
No?
बकवास शब्द है यार.
Not spiritual then.
बहुत नहीं, मुझे शब्द से तकलीफ है.
अच्छा ओके ठीक है, शब्द छोड़ दो, but आप मीनिंग से बताओ. That are you a who believes
I believe in what?
You believe in God and introspecting and finding God within oneself?
Yeah, I think of course. I mean, I have a system. I believe in compassion. I believe in empathy. That's what I believe in.
You believe in compassion and empathy and putting other people's interests first. I've seen you many a time on films, etc., and very selflessly, even not just your characters, but people who know you have also spoken volumes about the fact that how selfless a human being you are. So it's great to know and meet somebody like that. मैं इतनी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि आप जो 2 सीढ़ी भेजने वाले गोल्ड की, वो सीढ़ी मत भेजिए, वो बक्से भेजिए. But Amit, I must ask you this, saying, sitting at home, watching stuff on television, there is this one very exciting, cool, amazing project that is going to just be unveiled. And ladies and gentlemen, you heard it right. The first time you heard it was on this show, on Kuch To Corona, from Amit Saad on this show. What is this amazing project that was under wraps, which is now going to be unveiled? Tell us a little bit.
How do you know about it?
सूत्रों के अनुसार.
Nothing here. I think the cat is out of the bag. I have this series called Avrodh.
Okay.
In which I play Mike Tango, and there's a huge, it's a ensemble cast. It has some really great actors. And apparently it's going to come out soon.
Apparently it's going to come out soon.
Yeah.
Hotstar, Netflix, Amazon Prime, where is it?
Sony Picks. So Sony is Sony Live, sorry. Sony Live. So
Sony Live.
Sony Live, yeah.
अमित प्रोड्यूसर्स क्या बोलेंगे? इसे मत करो.
नहीं सोनी तो बोला ना. सोनी तो बोला ना. सोनी बोला चलेगा अभी.
मुझे लगा सोनी नहीं बोला, सोनी लिव और सोनी लाइव बोला, बाद में सोनी वाले बोलेंगे saying अरे क्या कर दिया. But as long as you think Sony was the key word, then done.
अभी साइन हो गया, अभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता. There's no retraction.
This is something that he said. Ladies and gentlemen, I had nothing to do with it. I tried my level best. Sony live. Remember, I tried my level best to ask the question properly. This man out there did not answer Sony live and live. Remember that. Yes. Next time you want a hero in a big way, in a big role, and Amit is not available because he said this statement. Please feel free to contact 976. You got my number right? You got the number right? So that number, please contact me. I am always available. But Amit, honestly, Avrodh के बारे में बताओ.
यार Avrodh तो surgical strikes पे 2016 की. How a set of Marines, Special Forces unit, with the support of Bihar regiment, they went, and we know what we did. So उसी के ऊपर web series है, बहुत detailed है, अच्छे से बनाई है, बहुत मेहनत की है, आ रही है देखते. I hate talking about myself, but
you hate.
But अभी तो काम है, अभी तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा, है ना?
You can't be an actor and not want to talk about yourself here. This is like an oxymoron. ऐसा मतलब
That's why I'm looking for an alternative career.
Just don't apply for the position of host in any show. This is a long queue. Yeah, I just added my name out there at the very bottom of it. The very bottom of it. I've just added my name. So please don't apply.
Done. Done.
Because the bottom position is reserved for me.
No, no. Anyway, anything with bottom is not in my scheme.
I said, okay, okay. But no, he's a fabulous actor and a great human being who's a sport of a person. And I like that cap that you're wearing. It is
I'll send
Arsenal.
I'll send you the cap. You after this, I'll send you a cap. तुमने इतनी तारीफ की है, मैं बेचैन हो गया हूँ. मेरी एंजाइटी अब बढ़ रही है.
But Amit, मुझे बताओ that you are acting in all of these movies and so on and so forth, and many of your movies are about patriotic stuff. Yeah, even this series of yours, Avrodh, is about, if I'm not wrong, is about the Indian Army. As a person who portrays these characters on screen, in terms of these patriotic characters on screen, I must ask you this question. आपके हिसाब से, what is your idea of India? This is the only question, Amit. This is the only question which is the tough, smart question on this show.
No, it's not.
This
easiest question. I think
बोलो ये question को भी मतलब ऐसे छोड़ दो. चलो बोलो आप.
कोई सवाल बना नहीं जिसका जवाब नहीं है मेरे पास.
अरे वाह वाह. बताइए.
But I think we're a great nation. The people of this country are beautiful. They're amazing. And now it's very, if there's a debate on how we can get better, our problems, that is endless. I'm saying for a second. We are a great nation with great people. Period.
We are a great nation with great people. Period. Full stop. I believe if you went on a show called which says the nation wants to know, and you gave this answer,
वहाँ भी जब जाएंगे अगर कभी तो वहाँ भी सब सही कर देंगे.
Even then, when you give such an answer, it actually, and quite honestly, this is, I'm guessing this has to also do with the characters, and it's probably a seamless transition to play somebody from the Indian Army and being so patriotic. Because one of the things when I read about you, when your team sends me a research document and I tell them saying, Baba, I don't need any introduction for this guy because I have seen him on screen 100 times and seen 100 of his interviews. One of the things that comes across is that you're a proud Indian. So when it comes to characters such as the one that you play in Avrodh, is it a seamless integration? Is it that you are in the skin of the character already?
So I won't tell you, it's very, you've asked me, I have goosebumps. I've dedicated Avrodh to my dad, to my father. My dad wanted me to join the army, and again, I didn't. There were few incidences in life, but what the most beautiful thing I like about life, it gives you another chance, always. So when I got this part, and I just finished Super 30, तो मैं बहुत पतला था. And I got Special Forces का part. My director said, Amit, तुम तो इसमें इतने पतले दुबले कमजोर लग रहे हो, Special Forces कैसे करोगे? ऐसे आप मुझे 6 महीने दे दीजिए. It's so again, I don't know. I like, you've touched a very, I don't know whether you've touched it accidentally. You really thought about. But my team also told me that I have to come on live with you. Yay! He said, you seem like a little high on Prozac, but you're a very intelligent, very cool, very funny, and a guy with a good heart. And I think they were not wrong. But तुमने जो एक चीज स्टार्ट किया ना यार, वो somehow कुछ है मेरे अंदर, मेरे DNA में है कि and it's not just like I'm a proud Indian. There's this amazing line, changing you, changing the world. So मैं बैठ के criticize नहीं करूँगा कि वो ये कर रहा है या बीजेपी ये कर रही है. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? और मेरे सामने कुछ ज्यादा बकवास करता हूँ, मैं उनसे भी पूछता हूँ भाई आप क्या कर रहे हो. When it comes to roles, I think there's a DNA, there's a calling. Somehow such roles pick me and they kind of abide with me. Avrodh is special because it's my chance to wear the uniform, and give it a tribute to my dad. Tell him, look, you know what, I couldn't join the army, be happy with this.
How touching, yeah, how touching that is. That is the most touching thing that I have heard, especially when it comes to these conversations. Usually there is a lot of senseless humor, and it's a lot of banter and a few conversations that make sense. But quite honestly, that was a very touching and moving thing. The fact that you've dedicated to your father, dedicated to his dream of you becoming an army officer, I think that just makes it the more special.
All suit me. Like even in Breathe, I play a cop. I have I think now understood. I think inherently, if I like it, if I don't like it, there's a protector in me. Like अगर मेरे जेब में अगर मैं फुटपाथ पे भी होऊंगा ना, पता नहीं ऐसा क्या है, ये बहुत गलत है, मुझे इससे बहुत नुकसान होता है यार. मेरा एक बड़ा प्रोटेक्टिव टाइप का एक वो है यार कि मुझे बहुत नुकसान भी होता है, माइंड यू. I think when I play such roles, they come out with ease. I think. I don't know.
No, it actually comes out with ease, and and that's why we've chased your team to get you to the show, because quite honestly, what the organization does is try to spread the idea of India, and we're looking for people who are proud Indians who are uniting the world. And like you said, you can only be a proud Indian and unite the world if you can change yourself. Only then will the world change. So your thought process comes across with your roles, and that is why I'm glad that we chased your team to get you here. So and also I'm very glad because you're sending me the Ducati cap, and also you're sending me
अरे बाइक, अरे दुगाटी का तुम्हें बाइक भी भेज देंगे, चलो चलाने के लिए.
बाइक याद रखना, it's a bike and it is a car. It is a cap.
You know how to ride?
You know how to
ride? बाइक चलानी आती है?
मैं सीख लूंगा यार, मैं सीख लूंगा. आप भेज रहे हो तो मैं सीख लूंगा. क्यों? If I would have said yes, what was the answer? What was the thing?
Once all the shit ends, I would have taken you for a ride.
I can always sit in the passenger seat, and to all the.
But तुम्हें बाइक चलाना सिखा देंगे.
Chalo, done. This is a done deal. Listen, all the girls on this are like, why am I not? You know, I'm not even. I must tell you this, that when people come at 7 p.m. and there are many people from different walks of life who come, okay, at 7, and we've been touchwood fortunate that they've tolerated me somehow. But there is always a bunch of people who attract more attention than others, and that is your film industry. Okay, so whenever there's anybody from the film industry, that time the numbers shoot up. So normally there is, in my house, there is only one person who's looking at me, which is myself. When I come on time, there are a few hundreds of people who look at me. But when there's somebody from the film fraternity, suddenly it becomes thousands of people who are live. So
that talks about your credibility, Babu. No, nothing else. It's your credibility. It's what you're earning. It's what you're making. And एक बात बोलूं, I know all the likes and numbers are welcome. इन चीजों को देखना नहीं चाहिए. You know, if you can affect people, 5 भी चलेगा यार.
I love this guy. I love this. इसको kidnap कर लो. Like, matlab, I can't kidnap you because look at the size of my arms, but you can get people to kidnap him. You shouldn't. But no, I really admire the thought process. Let me ask you one more serious question, because you mentioned it. In a day and age where everything is about social media gratification, people like you are really a welcome change. Because I don't know the last time where accidentally or meaningfully somebody said, don't chase Instagram followers and likes. Today, whoever's watching you is between the age bracket 15 to 30. And whoever will watch this video is also that. And unfortunately, for the vast majority of us, everything is about Instagram and immediate gratification.
And inflating and all that shit. Yeah.
So your thoughts on young people doing this, and what would you like to tell them?
So firstly, I think every tool in life, whether it is digital or an equipment, it's an asset. So use it with positivity. I'm a huge fan of Gary Vee, and I like what he says. You know what? Shut and document. What you
sounded like him. You just sounded like him.
That's because anyway, so I'm a firm believer of that, you know, and I have no shame to tell you, I am a guy who owns his mistakes. You know, there was a time early after Kai Po Che and, you know, in between where I got sidelined in everything. And even on Instagram, there was a time there was this team and posting and inflating numbers and boosting numbers. And one day I woke up, I said, sure, I'm so sorry, forgive me. This is not me. You know, मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में हेरा फेरी नहीं की, मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में किसी को चीट नहीं किया, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? And you won't believe, I have a strange bond with my fans. Okay, a beautiful bond, not strange, beautiful bond. And they kind of are like my friends, my parents. They reprimand me, डांट भी देते हैं मेरे fans. You know, that's the bond I've developed. And कुछ साल पहले यार एक मेरे fan का message था Instagram में कि shame on you. He said, so when you buy all this fake stuff, your name comes. I don't even know because I had a team who was doing it for me. So they must have seen my must have feel disgusted कि ये बोलता कुछ और है, करता कुछ और है. And मैंने उसको जवाब नहीं दिया. मैं रात भर सोचते रहा. फिर मैंने टीम को बोला, you know what, दो ऑप्शन दे रहा हूँ. मेरा Instagram डिलीट करो, नया खोलो. And जैसे नहीं मत करो, ऐसा होगा. Things went by. After a couple of months, because you get so used to the machinery, and the same thing started again. I don't know, one day I just got my balls in the right place. कुछ नहीं होगा. 2 like आए, 4 like आए, comment आए, नहीं आए. I don't care of flying. I will be honest. I will not mislead anyone. And then, you know, they put this you. अरे वो ad नहीं मिलेगा, वो commercial नहीं मिलेगा, वो picture नहीं मिलेगा. जो आदमी, जो इंसान, और मैं, I might sound arrogant to you, and I forgive me if I am, because I'm not.
I know you are not.
I know you're not cocky, but मैं तो अभी ऐसे belief system पे हूँ कि अगर आप मेरे Instagram देख के मुझे पिक्चर दे रहे हो या मेरी पिक्चर देख के आ रहे हो, मत देखो, मत काम दो. कैफे खोल लूंगा, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड की नौकरी कर लूंगा. And the day I decided, I became strong. I'm going to be real. I'm going to be authentic. देखते क्या होता है. आज नहीं 10 साल बाद आएंगे लोग.
You know? Yeah. I'll love you for that answer, yeah. And I'll tell you why. Because मुझे same चीज बोलते हैं. For me, it doesn't really matter because I am not an actor. In your case, it's about the image and so on and so forth. But they keep saying, Rishabh, do you know how many people follow you? It's not good. It's not correct. You should do A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. People who are students of IIMon have millions of following. Look at you. And I tell them the same thing. I tell them exactly what you said, word to word, yaar.
May I
just
add
in a little different language, but same thing.
thing.
Yeah, please.
ये जो चीज है ना, follower. आप क्या हो? आप सदगुरु हो? आप ओशो हो? आप भगवान हो? आप कोई लर्नर्ड आदमी हो? मैं कोई लर्नर्ड आदमी हूँ? हम लोग क्या छोरे हैं? हम लोग बच्चे, हमने कुछ लाइफ में किया नहीं. Who the what? Okay, grateful. We should be grateful to the people, not fans. एक तो I don't want to finish this thing in India. Fans, अरे कोई भगवान थोड़ा है यार. अपने खाना खाने के लिए, अपने परिवार का ख्याल रखने के लिए काम करता हूँ. I'm not God. In the world is God.
Correct.
I'm very, very strong views on this. So my thing is, people who follow you, they're not your followers. वो आपके मतलब भिखारी नहीं है, वो आपके पीछे जा रहे हैं. They are people. So engage with them. This is a beautiful tool to engage with them, to love them. You know, to share your life and their life. They're not your followers. I think we've taken this too seriously. You know कि मैं भगवान हूँ और भगवान के पीछे 3 million follower है. वो follower नहीं है, वो 3 million लोग हैं. And I think it's about time. And you know, and when you get this power, when you get this belief system, it's enlightening, bro. It's liberating. You know, then you are the true you. Then you are authentic. Like तुम कितने authentic हो? Rare हो. You know, कोई बनावटीपन नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, जैसे है भैया है. And eventually, you know, you'll only grow. But we don't have to grow in 2 days. And that growth, if it is fake, deep down in your heart, you will know it is.
Correct. I think with this answer, this is a perfect setup. You have the cap properly placed. You have the chain also properly kept. Now only the glasses are needed, and then uske baad swag should be written below that saying, "Boss man, you actually nailed the answer." You
complete कर देता है. मैं आजकल टीवी बहुत देख रहा हूँ ना, इसलिए मैं चश्मे यूज कर रहा हूँ आजकल.
Oh God, no. But this is superb, yaar, Amit. Superb. Let me take you to the last part of what we do. It's a quick. Okay, so Amit Gaur says, "What's up, bro?"
Salute you. He's one of my very, very dear friend, Amit.
Oh, nice. No, and there are so many such people who are watching you live, so many of your fans, and for them, I have to ask you. I take inspiration from a lot of TV hosts and lot of hosts generally because I didn't know anything about hosting. Let me be honest. So I'm an introvert who's struggling to live in an extrovert's world. This is me. But and I make jokes and I try to sound funny because I'm very awkward most of the times. So we have prepared this game, which is, it's not a game, it's a quick rapid fire. So I give you one word, and whatever is the first thought that comes to your mind, you need to say it.
Okay.
Okay. So when I say Indian Army,
Dil Mange More.
when I say cricket,
Sachin Tendulkar.
when I say India,
India. Aam Aadmi.
when I say gold, तो आपके मन में क्या ख्याल आता है?
Gold. Raghunath Pratap Singh.
Very nice, very nice. Also, but gold, when I say gold, दूसरी चीज जो आपके मन में आनी चाहिए is that this is what I owe Rishabh. I have to send it across.
Understated it. Don't state the obvious.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay, next. Okay, then next. When I say food, जब मैं खाना बोलता हूँ, तो पहली चीज जो आपके दिमाग में आती है वो है
Mutton biryani.
mutton. When I say happiness,
Happiness when there's down offense.
when I say coronavirus, when I say lockdown 5.0,
Needed.
and before I ask you the second last question, with your permission, Amit, I'm going to let the audience, there have been all of these wonderful people. Ravi Dubey, hello Ravi! Ravi Dubey is here.
A lot of my friends life now.
Yeah, a lot of your friends are watching it, and Ravi was fantastic. I've met Ravi and he's a wonderful, wonderful human being here.
That's all I have fun. That's it.
Top class.
This is it.
When life gives you lemons, then you should make lemonade.
You should squeeze them.
Ravi Dubey said this. Ravi Dubey
Tell them, don't make lemonade, squeeze them.
but
अरे नहीं यार, तुम गलत मतलब समझ रहे हो. Without squeezing them, you can't make ना शिकंजी.
अरे बाबा, मतलब मैं कुछ नहीं समझ रहा हूँ. आप listen. There are a lot of young people watching the show. Amit Saad, let me ask you with your permission 2 questions from the audience before I ask my final question. Guys, boys and girls who have questions to Amit, please write it in the comment section, and please don't write big fan of Amit Saad because he doesn't like the word fan.
My people.
Your people. Love you, Amit sir. Love you, brother. Achha, okay, till they ask a question, let me ask you this question. When I say inspiration, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
First thing, I don't know. These days, if you say currently, I think the way just the frontliners are protecting us these days. Yes. Yeah. You would have asked me, it would have been my cook. I think there's so much inspiration around us. So, you know.
Yeah, I love my cook, Baba. I absolutely adore my cook. Uske bina main bhuka jata. But before I discuss any first world problems, let me again go back to a question. Swapnil, the perfect guy, says, how do you deal with failure and criticism? This is ironic that a perfect guy is asking this question, but from a perfect guy to almost to a perfect guy.
From a perfect guy, most imperfect guy. So my first, my first advice is that don't try to be perfect. If you take my advice, change that. Say Swapnil, imperfect guy. Because the beauty and the fun and the uniqueness and the juice of life is being imperfect. पहली चीज। दूसरी चीज, जैसे आप एंजाइटी और प्रॉब्लम से डील करते हो, उससे मैं भी डील करता हूँ. We all struggle and survive.
Correct. So everybody deals with failure.
You have to deal with failure.
You have to deal with failure, and only at the end of the tunnel is there light. But only if you keep going. That is, you need to keep going.
You have to keep going. बहुत easy है ऐसे बोलना, tunnel light. You know, it's all easy to say, but eventually, I think somebody asked me, who knows me from like 2 decades. He said, "How come you changed? How come you solved your issues?" He was expecting a very big answer, and I said, like, I had the will. And the person was actually disappointed. And my friend called me after 3 months. Shit. अब समझ में आया. मैंने कहा, अब समझ में आया. So I think इच्छा. The power of us is इच्छा.
Ichha, will.
If we have the will, human brain, mind, soul, the cells are made in such a way we get it. You have to set your will.
You have to set your will, and you will find your Smith. And once you find both Will and Smith, then you are a super success.
Phone ही गिर गया.
Joke इतना खराब था that he dropped his phone.
But मुझे लगा दिल्ली के मतलब बॉम्बे में earthquake आ गया है.
But touch wood, thank God we don't have any earthquakes and no cyclones in Bombay. But we have our own concrete jungle mess to deal with. That said, it has been a pleasure. Your name has sad in it, but there was only happiness on this show. Amit sir, it was a pleasure and a privilege to be able to host you. Before I let you go, my last question, my final question. When I say IIMUN, okay? When I say
IUN, yeah.
Correct. What is the first thing that comes to your mind?
At this point, you.
Okay, chalega, done. I will accept that answer. I will accept that answer because it had me in it.
But I know it's a very big organization, so all the people who've logged in from different cities, and thank you for coming on, and lots of love. Whatever you're doing, however you're struggling, be strong. Be strong. We'll get over this.